So I'm back in Florida, visiting the family for a couple weeks. I got a lot of exciting stuff planned very soon, and so I just needed to take a couple weeks, relax, try to work on some new stuff, like some vlogs, because a lot of things are going to be changing here soon. Yeah. Y'all remember, like a couple years ago, I had knee surgery.
Great, but it's
put in a couple of sutures.
Yeah, but
so
the recovery is still the same.
So it's 6
for
months.
repair. Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure what happened, but out of nowhere, it just started hurting again, and it even makes it hard to walk around and stuff now. So that's one update.
Gotta get back up, and she got that ass, and she always wanna back up. Hate me all the time when I always wanna act up. See me in the back, yeah, you'll never understand, yeah.
So we're en route. We brought our drones. Just got back from the pool, but yeah. Now it's time to have some drone wars, I guess.
Hit them into each other, stop the ceremony a little bit,
I don't know about all that, but there's a Tesla. All right, got to secure the bag. Haha. All right, we found this dope park. This is not the place. He's already setting up. This is not the place that we were trying to go to, but it's really pretty over here. So we have these like little fucking, I don't even know what these are called. Cabanas? No, I don't know. These little, whatever this is. And then we have this perfect shot all the way through. So what I want to do is take off over there and get like a perfect shot going through this. If someone was swinging, that'd be nuts, but I don't know if I'm trying to do that yet. I think he's having trouble over there.
Okay, a little bit.
All right.
There you go.
Oh shit. Haha. All right, let's get some shots.
Yeah, we might go to hell. And you know I ain't been myself. And you know I don't need no help. Baby, you know I don't ever go tell. Girl, if you fall, yeah, you gotta get back up. And she got that ass, and she always wanna back up.
What are you doing over there? Well, we're at the boardwalk, and he's flying his drone, but we were just walking, like, through the brush, and all of a sudden, I see like a leopard looking thing running across it, and then it just like jumps out, and I'm pretty sure it was a bobcat, because it was like spotted. What are you doing? I don't know. It wasn't a house cat, that's for sure. Don't you you're gonna go in after the bobcat and have to get it. Oh, turn it off. Push both of them in. Oh my god, this kid.
I don't got no time to waste, ay. Every time I close my eyes, I only see your face, ay.
It just started pouring out of nowhere while we were flying this drone. Refuge right here. I cannot run. Well, this is a struggle.
I swear that my heart be racing. This love only one way, but it's hard for me to face it. Ay, ay. You know there's no time for these games. You do everything.
Made it back to the car. Chill. I'm gonna get demonetized. We're back in the car. That was a failed mission.
And I hate to say it, but for you, I think I'm knee deep. I don't know how you can get in my head so easy. You know I'm one call away if you ever need me. Baby, I need you up in my darkest days. I never trust to fall in love or be this one. I think that loving that girl was a big mistake.